Changes in life. Jump on a plane if me like. Mommy can't complain, she alright. Changes in life. People. Another one gone, people. Another one gone. Seen? Just in case you guys have missed it, Nicholas Hamilton is on his way to Europe. Seen? People, welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Seeing we're talking quick and fast. Nicholas Hamilton. Seeing it was announced on his Instagram not yesterday, the day before yesterday, that he was making this transfer to Europe. Just getting a chance to talk about it, so we're talking about it quickly. Again, for those who have missed it, Nicholas Hamilton is on the move. Another one is out of the JPL scene. So again, for those who have missed it, Nicholas Hamilton has made a move to Finland, ladies and gentlemen, to a club called FF Jaro, seen in the Finland second tier. Seen they're in the Finland second tier. So, and it's a one-season contract, ladies and gentlemen. So it's not a long-term thing, but who knows what can happen. The player can go over there, he can impress, and that can lead to greater things, signing a longer deal for the club, signing for a bigger club in the top tier, you know, that sort of a thing. You never know what can see, but another relatively young, and you can't really call Nicholas Hamilton a young player still, but another one gone. Seen, he is out of the JPL, out of Jamaica. No knock against the JPL, but it's not a professional league. All of them, for the most part, not really get adequate compensation for them services, etc., etc. So me personally, I love to see when the ball of them leave and go on to bigger and greater things. Again, one season contract at FF Jaro in Finland's second tier. They call this league the Yokonen. If I'm not mistaken, I did look up the pronunciation. So it's FF Jaro, and they play in the Yokonen League, which is the Swedish second tier. Seeing Jaro would have finished third in the Swedish second in the Finland second tier. They would have finished third in the Finland second tier last season, and missed promotion to the Finland first tier, but they finished third last season out of a 12-team table. And they're going to, I'm guessing, have another crack. I mean, everybody in the second tier wants to go up to the first tier, right? So this season, they'll definitely be trying to have another crack, to get into the Finland first tier. The league starts tomorrow, by the way. The league starts tomorrow. The Scandinavian leagues, for the most part, they don't really run parallel to most European leagues, right? Or they don't really run concurrent to most European leagues. They have a different time slot altogether, I guess, because they're to the northern part of Europe. So, the conditions up there are a little bit different certain times of the year. I don't know. I'm guessing that's the case. But the Scandinavian leagues, they usually, start around this time, of the year. Seeing, so the Yokonen League, it starts tomorrow, and he has the club FF Jaro plays tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Jamaican time against SJ Academia. I don't know if I say you pronounce it, but just a try a thing. Seeing, but yeah, so hopefully Nicholas Hamilton will be in action tomorrow for FF Jaro, so we look out for him to see if we see any sign have Nicholas Hamilton over there. But again, FF Jaro, a 1 season contract that takes him to the end of the finished season this season. So hopefully Nicholas Hamilton can impress and go on to even bigger things over there in Europe. Knock up the like button, subscribe, and share. Just a quick one for you guys here today. Take care, stay safe, and until next time. People, rate me singing, 1 to 10. Rate me singing, people. I'm not sound so bad, though. I'm not sound too bad at all, people. Take care.